Hey everybody, welcome to a new video of the Coffee Attendant. Today I am super excited because the delivery guy just came in and gave me these two packages of Eureka. Now the fun thing about this is that these two packages are here because of a reason, and the reason is that Eureka and I have decided to prolong our collaboration, our partnership for another year, and with that comes, new gear. I can't say it any other way. New gear. So this is the unboxing video of my new grinder and an additional thing that I got with it. So here it is. It's the box, my new grinder. I posted a post on Instagram where I was asking everybody to let me know what they're guessing, what kind of grinder it is. Let's get to it. I already got this one open, so you won't see me struggle or get an artery cut or something like that. Don't want to mess up the whole video. So first of all, the booklets, not too important. And the next thing coming out is the hopper. As you can see, it's quite a big one. Oh. So it's a nice hopper, not too fancy. And so I'm super excited right now. Normally Monday isn't fun day, but how different can it get when you're in the house of the coffee attendant? How do I get this thing out? That's a whole different thing. Oh, there it is. It's really heavy. I'm not even sure how heavy it is. But if I had to take a guess, I think it's about 15 kilos. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to show you my latest grinder. My cat's coming to sniff the grinder as well. And it is the Eureka Atom Specialty 75 millimeter steel burrs inside. The interior is really nice. It's you can single those, you can double those, you can grind on demand. The dial for dialing in this coffee is really nice. It's stepless grind, easy to see. I'm gonna plug it in a few moments. This is the portafilter. You can adjust the height of the portafilter. So that means that you can put any portafilter in that you like. Well, it's time to set it up and start dialing it in and grind up some coffee. This is the new grinder, Eureka Atom Specialty 75. Now the reason why I didn't go for the 65 but for the 75 is quite easy actually. The reason is that when you want to replace the burrs, you can actually use the Mythos 1 burrs. And the Mythos 1, obviously, is like the high-end model. Mythos 1 burrs can be fit inside this machine as well. And it doesn't with the 65. Now there's another package which came in. And this is something that I ordered next to this grinder. Because I was really curious as to what it exactly is and what it will do. And I'll tell you in a moment after unwrapping this. This is something that only Eureka has, and it's a bit of an unknown thing to me. The reason is that I've been reading up about it and I have experienced it firsthand. Look at it. That's my cat. Well, here it is. The second thing which I received today from Eureka is the Blow-Up Hopper. And the Blow-Up Hopper is a really special kind of hopper, one of a kind of hopper. And what it does exactly is it will let you get out all the retention in your grinder. So grinding up coffee and holding retention retention inside is no longer an issue. And I'll install it right away. So what happens is you put the hopper, put this down here. You put the hopper on top, and when you finish grinding, you press it down. It's easy. It's a rubber ring, but it works. Press it down, and all the retention should flow out of your grinder. I'm going to do an intensive testing on this one, so expect a video of this as well. Blow-Up Hopper 75 Specialty Atom. Yeah, it's a day which I will be thinking about a lot. So this was my unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the review of this grinder, of the Blow-Up Hopper. Yeah, see you around. Bye bye guys.